In a typical business, the seller provides products and receives VAT on behalf of the client. This is then paid to the government. In the reverse charge mechanism, the purchaser or the end user pays the tax directly to the government. Good morning everyone. Welcome to AMaudit Financial News Journal. The seller does not have to pay VAT on import goods, so the VAT transaction is passed from the seller to the recipient. The recipient would have to report VAT on transactions, value-added input tax and VAT on sales, value-added output tax in their VAT returns in each quarter. What is the need for a reverse charge? If the supplier does not have a VAT registration in the UAE, monitoring their business dealings and maintaining compliance with VAT is not in the jurisdiction of the FTA. As a result, companies who are registered in the UAE must pay VAT on reverse charge basis. The reverse charge method is generally used for cross-border transactions. It relieves non-resident suppliers of the responsibility of reporting and paying for VAT at their purchaser's premises. When is reverse charge applicable? Reverse charge is applicable in the following cases: purchase of goods from a designated zone, supply of gold and diamonds, supply of crude refined oil by a registered supplier to a registered recipient in the UAE, purchase of gold and diamond for resale or further production on manufacture, import of goods, service from other GCC to non-GCC countries, supply of hydrocarbons for resale by a registered supplier to a registered recipient in the UAE, production and distribution of any form of energy supplied by a registered supplier to a registered recipient in the UAE, supply of processed, unprocessed natural gas by a registered supplier to a registered recipient in the UAE. How does the reverse charge mechanism work? To understand the mechanism better, let's look at an example using an imported service. ABC is a VAT registered company in the UAE, but they are getting their services from a company XYZ based in Mexico City. XYZ is not registered in UAE VAT. As ABC has purchased services from a non-UAE based supplier, they have to pay VAT by themselves on their import by reporting the import as reverse charge mechanism. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if this video helped you in understanding reverse charge mechanism better.